welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, I'm standing in front of a machine that continues to define the essence of modern performance. An icon that has returned in 2026 with more presence, more technology, and even more emotion than ever before. Yes, this is the 2026 Audi R8, and trust me, it's more than just a sports car. It's a statement. From the moment you look at it, you instantly feel that this is a piece of engineering built to excite the senses. Just look at the sculpted front, sharp, aggressive, and unmistakably Audi. The redesigned LED headlights have this fierce, laser-cut attitude that gives the car a bold personality even before it moves an inch. The updated grille with its honeycomb pattern sits like armor, giving the front nose an intimidating stance that screams performance from every angle. The paint finish on this model is a deep, glossy red that reflects every curve and contour like liquid glass. You can immediately tell that Audi has spent time crafting the exterior to be both aerodynamic and visually striking. The hood lines flow like muscles, giving the car a sense of motion even when it's standing still. The aerodynamic channels on the sides, the low-sitting bumper, the aggressive air intakes, every element has purpose. Even the side mirrors have been sharpened to reduce drag and enhance stability at high speeds. This isn't just designed for beauty, it's designed for domination. Coming to the rear, the 2026 R8 continues the tradition of wide hips and a race-inspired stance. The LED taillights stretch out sharply, giving a futuristic look, and the quad exhaust setup at the bottom ensures that every rev sings through the air with a deep, powerful tone. The carbon fiber diffuser not only adds visual appeal, but also enhances grip by channeling airflow in the right direction. When you see this car from the back, you instantly know it's built to perform. It's a supercar that doesn't whisper for attention. It commands it. Stepping inside, the 2026 R8 welcomes you into a cabin where luxury meets pure motorsport DNA. The moment you sit down, the seats wrap around you with a perfect mix of comfort and firmness. Audi has used upgraded leather with micro, perforated detailing, adding both elegance and breathability. The stitching layout has a diamond pattern finish that reminds you you're sitting inside something truly premium. The cockpit layout is entirely driver-focused. Everything is angled towards you, everything within your reach, and everything feels solid and purposeful. The virtual cockpit has been upgraded with a sharper, more responsive display that gives you real-time driving information in crystal clarity. The animations are smooth, the graphics are refined, and the customization options allow you to control what you want to see, whether it's navigation, performance stats, lap times, or media controls. The infotainment system has been enhanced with improved haptic touch responses, faster processing, and deeper integration with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The sound system, tuned by Bang & Olufsen, turns the cabin into an audio studio. Even the smallest notes from your favorite tracks feel alive, rich, and immersive. Everything inside feels like it belongs in a high-end luxury car, yet every button, pedal, and material reminds you that the true purpose of the R8 is speed. The flat bottom steering wheel feels substantial in your hands, with metal paddle shifters that click with precision. The driving modes, comfort, sport, track, each transform the character of the car, letting you choose whether you want a calm grand, touring ride or a thrilling adrenaline-packed performance session. Now let's talk about performance, because the 2026 R8 doesn't disappoint. Under the hood remains the legendary naturally aspirated V10, refined for the new generation with improved airflow, better thermal management, and more responsive throttle mapping. The engine delivers breathtaking acceleration, pushing this car from 0 to 100 km/h in the blink of an eye. The sound of the V10 roaring to life is something you feel in your chest. It's raw, mechanical, emotional, and most importantly, real. No artificial soundtrack, just pure engine music. Audi has tuned the suspension to strike a perfect balance between precision and comfort. On a smooth road, it glides confidently, absorbing imperfections without breaking stability. But take it to a corner at speed, and the car hugs the asphalt like it's reading your mind. The steering feels sharper, the grip more intense, and the confidence it gives the driver is simply unmatched. Whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing limits on a track, the R8 remains stable, predictable, and thrilling. Finally, let's talk price. The 2026 Audi R8 sits in the premium high-performance sports car segment, and while pricing varies by region and optional packages, it proudly stands in the category of world-class supercars. Considering the craftsmanship, technology, performance, and the iconic V10 that's becoming increasingly rare in today's turbo-hybrid world, the price feels justified for enthusiasts who want something that truly stirs the soul. In the end, the 2026 Audi R8 isn't just another car. It's an experience, an emotional blend of design, luxury, engineering, and pure driving passion. If you're someone who values authenticity, performance, and presence, this machine is built for you.